Hey everybody, together we're going to do a complementary angle problem. So first of all, come over here and grab a pen or a marker. It's up to you. Okay. So just a reminder, complementary angles add up to exactly 90 degrees, or they make a right angle. So here we have two angles that together, okay, see the box here? The box represents 90 degrees. So we know that angle X and 43 degrees together, right, when fit together, adds up to 90 degrees. So that means our equation is going to be X plus 43 equals 90. All right, again, together they add up to exactly 90 degrees. Now that we have our equation, now we can solve for X. So the opposite of adding 43 is taking away 43. And when we solve now for X is going to equal 47. And there's our answer. X is 47 degrees.